हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं डीके हूं। मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं आपके चहेते चैनल पे। आज हम एक ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट सेशन को लेके आए हैं दोस्तों, जो आपके सोचने के नज़रियों को चेंज कर देगा। बेसिकली हम ये बताने आए हैं कि किस तरीके से अधिकतर ट्रेडर नुकसान करते हैं और वो क्यों नुकसान करते हैं। खास करके कोई एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी के ऊपर में वो मास्टरी नहीं करते हैं। सेकेंडली दोस्तों, ये सेशन को अगर आप पूरा देखेंगे बिना स्किप किए, फॉस्ट फॉरवर्ड किए, तो आपको एक प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में नॉलेज होगा कि कैसे एक ट्रेडर जो इस चैनल के डायमंड मेंबर हैं, वो अपने ट्रेड जनरल को मेंटेन कर रहे हैं, सर्टेन रूल्स को फॉलो कर रहे हैं। यस, कुछ गलतियां हुई हैं, वो रिफाइनमेंट जैसे जैसे होगा तो वो इम्प्रूवमेंट आ जाएगा एंड ही विल बी ऑन ट्रैक टू मेक अ कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉफिट। लेकिन सबसे बड़ी गौर करने वाली बात ये होगी दोस्तों कि उन्होंने जितने ट्रेड लिए हैं उसमें से ज़्यादा ट्रेड में उन्हें नुकसान हुए हैं, कुछ ट्रेड में ब्रेक इवन हुआ है जहाँ पे नो लॉस नो प्रॉफिट में निकले हैं, और कुछ ट्रेड में उन्हें प्रॉफिट हुआ है। फिर भी दोस्तों ओवरऑल उन्हें लॉस नहीं हुआ है, क्योंकि एक पॉजिटिव एक्सपेक्टेंसी में वो काम कर रहे हैं एंड रिस्क रिवार्ड रेशियो को प्रॉपर तरीके से मैनेज करते हैं, अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी को डेविएट नहीं करते हैं। अब दोस्तों, ये ट्रेडिंग जर्नल को मेंटेन करने का फायदा क्या होता है, इसके बारे में भी जानकारी आपको मिलेगी। क्योंकि दोस्तों ट्रेडिंग जर्नल जब आप मेंटेन करते हैं और उसे रिव्यू करते हैं समय समय पे, तो आपको ये समझ में आता है कि मिस्टेक हो कहाँ रही है, और उन मिस्टेक पर अगर हम वर्क करते हैं और वो मिस्टेक को हम मिनिमाइज कर देते हैं या ऑल टुगेदर समय के साथ एलिमिनेट कर देते हैं, तो दोस्तों हम एक कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉफिट की दिशा में आगे बढ़ते हैं। लेकिन अगर हम इसे मेंटेन नहीं करेंगे तो हमें स्वयं को पता नहीं चलेगा कि मिस्टेक हो क्या रही है। तो दोस्तों इसे अंत तक देखिएगा। इमीडिएटली इसके बाद मैं वो रिकॉर्डिंग आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करना जा रहा हूं जो मेरे बीच में और इस डायमंड मेंबर श्री गिरी प्रसाद जी जो पुणे से हैं उनके बीच में जो संवाद हुआ है ट्रेड जनरल को रिव्यू करने के दौरान, वो आपको एक इंसाइट देगा कि आपको स्वयं पता लगेगा कि आप मिस्टेक कहाँ कर रहे हैं और एक प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी को एग्जीक्यूट करने में कहाँ दिक्कतें आ रही हैं दोस्तों। तो चलिए दोस्तों स्ट्रेट अवे उस रिकॉर्डिंग पे आपको ले चलते हैं जिसे आप अभी देखेंगे दोस्तों। What are the problems you are facing?
So, can I share my trading journal?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Okay. That is the purpose.
Just a minute.
I am recording this so that other people can also, learn after we discuss.
Okay. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it's very much visible.
Whatever the
green one is a profit one.
Yeah, and the fade one is break even.
Which one is a break even?
The fade color is there, no?
Yeah, this one a gray one.
Gray one. That's first 1, 2, and 7, 12, 14.
These are all break even.
Break even. And reds are my losses.
Okay.
Stop losses.
Okay. Now, can we share the reason of getting out?
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
Trailing stop loss hit, trailing stop loss hit. Means you shifted the trailing stop loss 1 hour.
1 hour. That is break even.
Okay.
Yeah.
Target achieved, stop loss hit, stop loss hit, stop loss hit, stop loss hit, trailing stop loss hit, target achieved, stop loss hit. And these all are trading strategies. Bounce back, Bought
It is
by mistake.
breakout.
No, you have written bought by mistake.
Sorry, sir.
You have written bought by mistake.
That one, this one, network 18, sir, which I have decided earlier.
Okay, okay, no issue, no issue.
Yeah.
And bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, bounce back. This is the way you should write. Here you have write perfectly. Bounce back with one white soldier.
Okay.
In future, you start writing bullish engulfing, whatever pattern you see.
Okay.
Okay. Means none of the trade is there where you have exited before the stop loss hit or target hit.
Yes, correct.
That part is very, very good. Because this is a very common mistake people do. Now, what is the scenario of R?
R is 1, sir.
Now, for example, in this you might have earned 2R or more.
Most of the trades I have earned 2R only.
2R.
Yeah.
So this is 6R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So no loss, no profit.
Break even, sir. I think last trade, because of last trade only I have made a loss around 2000.
Okay. Now let us go to. Can you scroll left side?
Just a minute.
Now let us check the stock in which you have entered on 11/8 Dabur.
Yeah.
Right? So now stop sharing. I will share my screen.
Okay.
And you keep your general by your side. We will visit to the each and every chart where you have incurred loss.
Okay. So most of the time, price will come to the stop loss and stop loss hit, and again from that it will go up.
Now let us see. Let us go to Dabur first. Dabur, date of entry 11/8.
11/8. Actually, it was discussed in one of the Zoom meeting, membership meeting.
Okay.
That time I bought actually.
But 11/8 तो कोई formation नहीं है गिरी. There is no formation.
Sir, actually, it was considered as a cup and handle. I think so. That time we were decided.
Even if it is a cup and handle, the prior candle high is what?
I have considered 516, sir.
Entry did not trigger, no?
516.
You see, this is the 11. I am drawing the vertical line, okay?
Okay.
I am drawing the vertical line. This is 11/8.
Yeah. Okay.
11th August. Now, even if you have decided to enter 11.8, the entry should have been above high of this. You should have placed the buy stop order. You might have bought at the market price. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Here you see, this was the bearish candle. There is no harm if I place a buy stop order. The high was 526.3. So say 527, 528. I put a buy stop order.
Okay.
If that order is triggered, it's fine. Then my stop loss would have been here. I think you might have kept the stop loss same.
478.
478. How did you arrive 478?
So actually, I consider through Zoom meeting only. I have taken that target. Entry price and this one stop loss.
But Zoom meeting happened on which date?
Is I have to check it, sir, because 2 months back I need to.
Sir, forget about that.
Yeah.
What I am trying to discuss technically.
Okay.
If I am taking a trade on 11, no harm. This is a cup and handle kind of pattern.
Okay. And
there is no harm. I'm not saying you have taken a wrong trade, but entry was wrong.
Okay.
So here, if I would have put an entry stop order above high of 10th candle of the 10th August. So I would have entered it for 527, 528.
Yes, correct.
Now, in this case, there are two methods of putting this stop loss. One is either I put 1 ATR below this neckline.
Correct.
Or else I put the swing low below the neckline.
Yes, correct.
Now, swing low was this. Swing low was 498.
Okay.
So first and foremost thing, I would not have been into the trade at all. Got it?
Yes. Okay.
So this trade, another trade you say in which you have incurred?
This one, Manappuram, sir.
Manappuram.
That is okay. That is already in stock idea I have taken from stock idea.
So that is stop loss is triggered.
Stop loss it. Okay, then.
Okay, no problem. Then next.
Then rallies, sir.
Which one?
Rallies.
Rallies India?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay.
I have entered on 2920.
2920. Let me first mark the 29.
Yes. My entry price is 309.
No. Entry price was
309.
Now you tell me why you have entered this trade.
Sir, this is a bullish candle, and previous candle is.
See, this is the retracement.
Okay.
Then this candle is no candlestick pattern.
That is true. Yeah.
So this candle, after this has completed, there is no candlestick pattern as such.
Okay. I thought that this is one type of one white shoulder only, no, sir?
No.
It's not a one white shoulder.
No. See, one white shoulder has to be on a single trading session. For example, this trade entry could have been okay.
Engulfing.
This is engulfing.
Yes.
Above high, I put it. I would have entered on the third day, not the next day,
Okay.
because next day it did not broke the high of this.
Yes.
Got it? Third day it had broken.
Yes.
So my stop loss is very small. Swing low.
Yes, correct.
Now, if you see this trade also would have been a break-even trade, probably not profitable. It has gone up to this point.
Okay.
So it might have gone how much? 282 to 301 means you are taking a risk of around 18-19 rupees.
38 plus 30. 38 rupees.
38 means
339.
9.
Yes, it hit it.
It hit it.
Yeah.
So it would have been a profitable trade.
Yes. Sir.
I thought on the press up it would have been a break even, but yes, it is achieved.
Achieved.
What I'm trying to, here you see this trade is okay because bouncing back with a one white soldier.
One not right. Okay.
Next day did not trigger. Third day triggered. Next day did not trigger.
Yes, yes, correct.
This day triggered.
Yes.
Now, in this particular one white soldier, I would not have a taken trade. Tell me why.
Can't imagine, sir.
I tell you, I would not have taken trade, although it is bouncing off. I am drawing this trend line.
Okay.
It has broken this trend line. Can you imagine head and shoulder kind of thing?
Yes.
And ultimately, it would have been a happiness for a day or two. And then finally, it came down.
Okay.
So, although it is a bounce back, but I would not have taken the trade simply because the structure of the market was suggesting something is wrong. So this was a breakdown. So I would have waited unless the price started trading above the right shoulder.
Correct.
Then any kind of formation.
Okay.
Got it? Now
Yes.
third.
Third. BPCL.
BPCL.
Entered on 02/09/2020.
It is good that you have started taking trade with your no problem. The moment you maintain risk position sizing, nothing will happen.
Okay. Now I know I am, but after this only I can understand where I am making mistakes.
Yes. We will keep on discussing. This will come with the experience. I told you, I have struggled for 3.5 years, 4 years.
Okay.
It happens with everybody. Some people honestly tell you and some people do not tell. That's the only difference.
That if I would have taken further, no, sir, I would have been again in loss situation if I didn't tell you.
Which date you have taken, Giri?
02/09 only, sir. 09 to 20.
9.
Sorry, 02/09. 2nd September.
This was the right,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, it is also discussed in Zoom meeting only, sir.
Okay.
The entry price is 421 and stop loss is 396.
421,
sir.
You have entered on 2nd.
I have written 2nd only.
But that day price did not go to that value.
The higher value, okay. Next day it has entered, I think.
The price, the highest value on second is 415.5.
No, sir. Actually, I have kept entry price in Zerodha. So next day, I think it is hit.
Even next day did not go to that value.
Okay. This red candle is.
It has gone on this candle. That is 10th of September.
Okay, I did something wrong.
Either you might have written wrong.
Yeah, sir.
Some values are wrong. But if you have taken the position here, what was the formation you considered?
One white shoulder only.
Was there a rise in the volume?
No.
And here also you see can you imagine some format?
Yes, sir. Head and shoulder.
So the candlestick pattern with the volume, I don't see a very big mistake in this because it was bouncing off. You have seen the pattern correctly.
Okay.
If had it been coupled with the volume plus date entry, I don't know which date you have entered finally.
Okay, I have to recheck it again.
No problem. What I'm trying to say, what you have missed here is the volume.
Okay.
Pattern, okay, no problem because this was a very big impulsive wave. And here you have seen the one white soldier, agreed. If you have taken a decision on second, that is wrong because one white soldier was formed on second.
Yes.
So decision would have been on third. Maybe your entry is wrong. You might have taken a decision on third. I don't know.
No, that's why it's a third. Actually, the entry price is reached, sir, 421.
421 reached ultimately on 10th of September.
Okay, I have to recheck it again.
So the only thing I want to correct you is for volume should not be ignored.
Okay. Volume is in related to prior candle only. So prior day.
Either volume should be higher than the prior one.
Okay.
Or volume should be greater than the moving average which you place on the volume. This yellow color line.
Okay, understood, sir.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
You may put it 10 period, 13 period. I put it 21 period.
Okay.
So it's not that 21 is sacrosanct. It is just a guiding factor. Even if you put it say 10 period, it is indicating 2 weeks volume. Average of 2 weeks. Because each week will have a 5-day trading session.
Yes.
Got it? Now tell me the third trade. Because let us finish fast because people are now coming.
Yes, sir. Apollo Tricot is there.
Apollo?
Tricot. It's a BSC stock.
Apollo
Tricot. That one, yes, correct. I have entered on 10th, 10/9, sir. 10/9.
This was the date.
I entered. This is also not a candlestick pattern.
Candlestick pattern was formed on 8th.
Okay. Actually, I consider that one and I entered above that.
What was your entry price?
572, sir.
572.
Yeah.
It should have been correct, but it's correct.
And the stop loss I have kept is 528.
That's fine. That's fine. Now let me only check the volume. Volume is also good. So here you have taken a risk of 128 to
572.
So it was not a break even, it was a loss. Right?
Yes,
so,
sir, yes.
So this is a normal loss.
Okay.
Nothing wrong.
Okay.
It will happen with anybody.
Okay, sir.
Because I don't find any reason, because this was a correction. This was the candlestick, if you have considered.
Yes.
Of 8th formation.
Correct.
The only precaution was on 9th because it was a bearish harami.
Yes.
But you have entered above the high of this.
Yes, correct.
So there is no mistake.
And actually, this pin bar, large pin bar is there, no? After 18th, I think so, sir. I think the last pin bar formed, no? There my stop loss actuated.
Okay.
Okay.
Now next stock.
Just Lupin, sir. This is also discussed in Zoom meeting only. Entry price is 1035 and 5th of 510. 510. Yeah. Entry price is 1035.
1035. Okay. Stop loss?
Stop loss is 979.
979?
Yeah.
You have entered on this candle, 5th October.
5th. Yes, sir. 5th.
And stop loss, what did you say?
979, sir.
979.
Yeah.
From where you arrived this figure?
Same, sir, in Zoom meeting which we have discussed. No?
Okay. It is a 969 or 979?
It's a 979 only, sir.
Because if you see this,
actually it came to 978 and again it went to 1002.
no, it is triggered, it is good because you see the structure now. It may correct more. You
Okay.
see, it is triggered, it is good. What I'm trying to say is, now the structure, see, structure market keeps on changing. Now this stock needs to be waited unless some kind of formation appears.
Okay.
Now this will pose, you know, this line will pose a lot of resistance. The price has to go
Yes.
past this line. Next.
Granules in.
Huh?
Last one. Last one, granules. Granules.
Where did you enter?
And on just 12:10.
Hmm. 12:10. Okay. Entry price.
Yeah. Price is 385. 380.
Okay.
And stop loss is 363. Actually, because of this gap only, the stop loss hit.
Hmm. This gap was marked, no?
Yeah.
I think by and large, Giri, you are taking good thing. One is the volume, which you have to consider.
Okay.
Second, there has to be a candlestick pattern in a single trading session.
Oh, understood. So that I understood that I have made mistake there.
Entry has to be very clear.
And one more thing, sir, I would like to ask you that whenever the gap is there, so how can I arrive the stop loss there?
See, in this case, it's always better to keep the stop loss prior swing low before this gap.
Okay.
Because sometimes gaps are filled with a very long shadow.
Yes, because of noise.
Because of market noise.
Yeah.
Now see, this gap is another method of regulating was, if I am making an entry, see, this was the kind of trend line which I can draw. And I put a stop loss 180 or below this trend line.
Okay.
Subject to that 180 below comes below the gap.
Okay, understand.
Otherwise the purpose is defeated.
Okay.
Okay, let us go to the room. People have come.
Yeah, sir. Thank you for your
welcome. तो दोस्तों, जूम मीटिंग के ऊपर के दौरान, तो दोस्तों इसमें जो हमने श्री गिरी प्रसाद जी के साथ जो एक रिव्यू सेशन किया उनके ट्रेड जर्नल का, मैं आशा करता हूं कि आपको एक लार्जर कंसेप्ट क्लियर हुए होंगे, एक इंसाइट डेवलप हुआ होगा। और दोस्तों, इससे आप में अगर कोई वैल्यू एडिशन हो रहा है तो इस वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा दोस्तों। हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है जब भी हम कोई एक नया इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं। एंड दोस्तों, इसे शेयर भी करें दूसरे लोगों के साथ, ताकि एक लार्जर ऑडियंस को इसका बेनिफिट मिल सके। और जो मिस्टेक बार बार लोग करते हैं, हमारे देश के कोने कोने तक ये मैसेज जा सके कि हमें किस तरीके से अपने को तैयार करना चाहिए, टेक्निकल एनालिसिस को सीखना, ट्रेडिंग स्ट्रैटेजी को बनाना, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट करना, ट्रेड जनरल को मेंटेन करके जो हमारी शॉर्ट कमिंग्स है, जो हमारी कमियां हैं, उन्हें मिनिमाइज करना और फाइनली उसे एलिमिनेट करना, ताकि हम एक कंसिस्टेंट प्रॉफिट की दिशा में आगे बढ़ सकें। तो दोस्तों, देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को एनेबल कीजिए नोटिफिकेशन के लिए, ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहें। देखने के लिए धन्यवाद वंस अगेन। फिर मिलेंगे दोस्तों। थैंक यू वेरी मच।